So, how's your Diwali decluttering going on? I'm sure you're all looking into your cupboards, fridge, wardrobes, and all the drawers to decide what is it that you wish to hold on and what is it that you want to discard. And you all must be reflecting, like right now, I'm holding on to this shirt that I've been wearing for 2 years and I'm reflecting on it. Whether do I keep it or should I give it to someone who could use it and do justice to it? That's exactly what happens when you reflect on your inner state of being also. You are able to decide what you want to keep and what is it that you want to let go of. फिर चाहे वो इमोशन हो, थॉट हो या बिहेवियर हो, जैसे कि आप अपने घर के आर्टिफैक्ट्स या किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट को आप देखते हैं, रिफ्लेक्ट करते हैं और डिसाइड करते हैं कि करना क्या है. दिस इज़ वॉट यू रियली नीड टू डू for your life and your inner being. Whether the thought is important, is it just coming from the past and it does not serve anymore in your current life? Whether do you really need that emotion on a daily basis and not live fully, or do you wish to choose some other emotion to experience the joy of life? This is what I call the power of reflection. और जब तक आप रिफ्लेक्ट करने की कैपेबिलिटी नहीं क्रिएट करेंगे तब तक आप किसी भी एरिया में कोई भी शिफ्ट या मूवमेंट या ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन एक्सपीरियंस नहीं कर पाएंगे. अगर आपको अपना कोई भी पैटर्न बदलना है, अगर आपको अपने एंगर को हील करना है, देन यू गॉट टू बी अवेयर एंड रिफ्लेक्ट ऑन टू व्हाट क्रिएट्स दैट एंगर इन यू. What are your triggers? Where is it coming from? And then think as to what can be done about it. Feel it and experience how you can shift it and move from point A to point B in life. That is the power of reflection. Ideally, as evolved human beings, we should all be spending few minutes every night to reflect upon our behavior, the way we responded or reacted in our daily life. And once we have an idea as to who we are inside out, just like we clear and declutter our external space, that reflection helps us declutter our inner space also. And actually, can you literally imagine when you clean your house, the sense of energy and the sense of upliftment it creates? That's exactly how people feel when they release and let go of all those limiting beliefs, emotions, and patterns that are keeping them stuck